In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make projects in Zoho Project. To get started, make sure you are logged in to your Zoho Projects portal and you are looking at the main interface. The first thing you will do is go to the left sidebar and find the Projects tab. Click Projects to open your Projects area, where you can view existing projects and create new ones. Next, move your attention to the upper right corner of the page. Look for the New Project option and select it. This opens the project creation form, where you will set the basic structure for your new project. Now you will enter the project details. Start with the project title. Choose a name that is clear and specific, because this is what you and your team will see in lists, dashboards, and reports. A good title makes it easier to locate the project later and helps avoid confusion when you have many projects in the portal. After that, set the start date and end date. These dates help Zoho projects organize timelines and planning views. Choose dates that match your expected schedule as closely as possible. If you are not certain about the end date yet, pick a reasonable estimate so your planning tools have a time range to work with, and you can always adjust it later as the project becomes more defined. Then you will select a project layout. The layout controls how the project is structured and which fields and sections are available. In many workspaces, different layouts are used for different types of work, so choose the one that best matches the kind of project you are creating. Taking a moment here can save time later, because it helps ensure the project is organized the way your team expects. Next, choose the privacy setting. Select Private if you only want project members to have access. This is useful for internal work or restricted initiatives. Select Public if you want all portal users to be able to view the project. Choose the option that matches your visibility needs, since it affects who can find and access the project. Once everything looks correct, complete the setup by clicking Add. Zoho Projects will create the project using the title, dates, layout, and privacy settings you selected, and you will be ready to begin adding work and inviting members based on your usual workflow. And that is all there is to it.